The Velocity Vortex, an immense AR launch event. This is a strategic pitch to the CEO of Velocity Fit. I'm speaking as a strategic architect. The goal of this project is to turn curious scrollers into loyal subscribers using augmented reality. The core idea here is fitness as a high energy, safe, and shareable experience. The vibe, relatable reality. As we can see, the visual style will have sleek velocity branding and everyday spaces like bedroom, living room, park. This reduces cognitive friction. Basically, it feels familiar, not sci fi. Users feel like it is a safe bet, low risk, and high reward. AR marketing in 2025 to 2026 works best when it enhances real life and not really exactly replaces it. Relatable reality lowers mental effort and makes the experience feel easy and safe. As we can see, I have designed the screen to show the minimalist options, the comfortable safe bed space, and few extra feature like showing the progress and other options in the app. Pillar 1, Elite Performance, basically the dopamine hook. It will include gamified challenge arena. As we can see, it looks gamified. It includes sprints, targets, live leaderboards. Second thing is that it will include instant feedback, the scores of the audience, their streaks, and the level ups for them. So I have provided certain options in the screen that I have designed in the phone for the app. And for extras, there is extra option above the screen at the right corner. All of these things trigger dopamine and it leads to motivation and repeat use of the application. There will be gamified AR for higher engagement, especially for younger digital narrative users. Pillar 2 and 3, habits, which creates oxytocin, coaching, which creates connection. So, this includes daily habit support for oxytocin. It will include AR guided mobility, breathing, and habit trackers. There will be an option where you can see a plant. It's basically called as grow your plant. It grows as you stay consistent. So all of these things feels caring, safe, and routine based because the plant grows with your consistency. Next thing is real-time coaching, which creates connection. That is pillar 3. It includes small group of AR pods with live coach or avatar. It includes Q&A, question and answers, form check, and mini challenges for the users. This thing builds trust and community, which results in subscription loyalty. Pillar 2 is basically about belonging and routine, which gives oxytocin, while pillar 3 adds human support and expertise. Together, they move users from fun ones to I belong here experience. Form assessment to avatar activation. The problem here was that the camera assessment caused 45% drop off of the users because they felt awkward or judged. The reframe now of it is that we call it as activate your vortex avatar. Basically, it includes a fun mini game which has 3 poses to unlock your power suit or spin to calibrate your energy field. Things like these make them more comfortable and not seem like it is judging them. AI still collects data, but it feels like character creation, not judgment. Before and after concept on this assessment is that scary body scan becomes a fun avatar creator with colorful gear and badges. Compared to the old friction point, the new framing challenges the emotions of users because playfulness and customization reduce self consciousness and increase completion of the assessment. Shareable moments and digital trophies. There will be a trophy studio with 3D trophy with score, streaks, and custom badges. There will be an option of one tap share to Instagram, TikTok with hashtag Velocity Vortex. There will be an option to send challenge cards to friends. As we can see, I've made the screen in a way that there's a 3D trophy. This is the trophy studio, and there is other options like sharing your success or sharing about it on your social media. This basically turns personal pride into organic growth and referrals signups. This converts an itch like I want to feel fit and seen into a scratch like I subscribe to keep my streak, badges, and status. Also, social sharing becomes free marketing for the brand. Strategic vision, basically avoiding analysis paralysis. There will be market noise, for example, VR gyms, metaverse classes, AI coaches, which is easy to freeze. Now, the Vortex approach would be using existing smartphone AR and not just headsets, one focused launch event and not just 10 half baked features, built on proven trends, basically gamification, personalization, and social cues. As we have seen earlier, that I have designed the application and the way it works in a gamified sense with all the features and options. Success metrics and closing pitch. Success metrics will include user growth, which includes unique Vortex participants, option for social shares and referral signups. As you can see, the plan grows and shows the growth of the user. The next thing is conversion to subscription. Percentage of users starting the trial or paid subscription within 7 days, Vortex versus standard signups. And next would be engagement and retention, which includes things like day 7 and day 30 active usage, habit streaks, basically the repeat visits to daily habit station. So this basically makes it from cool tech to real subscriptions and community. The velocity vortex does not just show the feature of fitness, it lets people live it, share it, and subscribe to it. Thank you.